Hello, welcome. This is my super barrister thing, but in a different format. This one is done in React. It's hosted at Vercel, and I think it's pretty workable, and I'll try to see whether it can create something that is interesting. You did not ask the daughter to sign a single document. That's rubbish. Let's see. So, as far as I can tell, this is okay, actually, sorry, I should say this is actually white coded by Gemini 3. This is all done in AI Studio, and then the codes are sent over to Vercel, and and this is the this is the way it has been done. So it's hard coded here. I will make it uh, differently later, but this is just to show proof of concept. Yes, in the bundle with exhibit 1. So it does a pretty good job as cross-examiner. Uh, One thing I noticed is red. I don't know why it's red, but it's using Gemini 2.5 as the backend. And Madam, you know perfectly well the experience is entitled Declaration Start and where now yes, there is no rename date, but that does not is not wrong. So one day it will be by voice, but currently it's just we're just trying to make it to show that the it can be done this way. Um, so it's pretty fun doing this. I had a good time doing this, and I think one of the model that I'm preparing will have a platform where it can be done, but it can be used for by many other people. Uh, oh, ooh. So what I have in the others is that there is actually a assessment that tells you how well you do by giving all these answers. So that is coming up, and then of course instead of a case, dossier, and legal strategy, it will be one acting on for the plaintiff as a barrister acting for the defendant, and then instead of case dossier, there will be upload of pleadings. So make it really interesting. It, uh, all right. Again, thank you very much. This will be, I think this will be the final one for the year. I'm still doing the other two. Uh, Currently, no, it's exhibit two. Currently, it's still having some difficulty because I don't know why. I'll find out why later today. But anyway, it has been fun. Uh, Thank you.